Hello, everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear your search history on Twitter. Let's get started. The first step is to open Twitter on your mobile. Make sure you're logged into the account for which you want to clear the search history. Once you're on the home or feed page, tap on the search magnifying glass at the bottom of the screen to access the search options. Now, tap into the search bar at the top of your screen, and you'll see your recent searches for users and terms. If you want to delete a specific search result, just tap and swipe to the left. It's that simple. Tap. Swipe left. And then tap on delete. Poof. It's gone. Repeat this process for any other searches you want to remove. It's a great way to keep things organized and maintain your privacy. Now, if you want to clear all your recent searches, look for a small X at the upper portion of the screen. Give it a tap. And you'll see the option to clear. Tap on clear, and just like magic, all your recent searches disappear. Quick and easy. And there you have it. A clean slate on your Twitter search history. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.